Did you know that within just 2 weeks, without the right vitamins, your leg muscles can lose up to 10% of their strength, and sometimes they may never fully recover? I'm Dr. Iqbal Ahmed, 68 years old. After treating thousands of older patients, I've learned one powerful truth. Weak legs aren't just from aging, they're a message from your body, asking for help. Today, I'll share 3 essential vitamins that, when used correctly, have helped many of my patients regain leg strength, reduce cramps, and feel confident walking again, even those who had lost hope. You'll learn which vitamins help your nerves and muscles work together, how to take them easily and affordably, common mistakes that secretly weaken your legs. If you believe good health is worth fighting for, click subscribe and leave a comment. I'm ready to change. Let's walk this journey together. The story of Farzana, age 78. Let me tell you about Farzana. She's 78. When she first came to see me, she held tightly to her daughter's arm just to walk a few steps. Her legs trembled like they would give out. She looked tired and embarrassed. "Doctor, I eat fine. I try to walk every day, but I keep getting weaker." Her daughter added, "She was always active, but since my father passed, she stays inside, and she's slowly lost her strength." I've heard this many times. People believe this is just part of aging, but I don't agree. I told Farzana, "Your legs aren't weak because of age. It's a lack of essential vitamins, and it's more common than you think." She lowered her head and asked, "What can I do now?" I said, "We'll take it step by step. A few small changes can bring big results." A few weeks later, she came back for a checkup. This time she walked in on her own. "I never imagined just a few changes could make me feel strong again," she said with a smile. Her story isn't rare. Maybe you or someone you love is going through the same thing. Now let me tell you the 3 vitamins that can change everything. Vitamin number 1, B12, for nerve strength. Do your legs feel shaky or like they're not under your control? Do you get numbness or tingling like ants crawling under your feet? If so, your body might be lacking vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 protects your nerves. Without it, your nerves weaken. Even if you eat normally, your body may not absorb enough, especially after age 60. This can lead to balance issues, weakness, nerve pain. Many people say, "I just want to stand up and walk to the kitchen but my legs feel like they don't belong to me." That's often a sign of B12 deficiency. Vitamin number 2, vitamin D, for bone and muscle strength. Vitamin D isn't just for bones, it's critical for muscle strength and energy. As we age, our body produces less vitamin D, absorbs less sunlight, spends less time outdoors. Low vitamin D causes muscle cramps, bone pain, fatigue, weakness, and poor posture. To boost vitamin D, spend 10-15 minutes in morning sunlight. Eat salmon, sardines, eggs. Consider a vitamin D3 supplement if advised. Magnesium, the muscle relaxer. Do you wake up with painful cramps in your legs or feet? Does the pain stop you from sleeping? This is often caused by low magnesium. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax properly, prevent painful spasms, reduce fatigue and irregular heartbeat. Without it, your muscles become stiff, sore, and cramp suddenly, especially at night. Even if you eat well, your magnesium may be low due to age, stress, or medications. Why so many seniors lack these 3? Many older adults don't absorb these vitamins well. Reasons include low stomach acid, certain medications, poor diet, not enough sun exposure. After age 60, it becomes harder to get all 3 vitamins naturally, even with a normal diet. This leads to a cycle: weak legs, less movement, more weakness, higher risk of falls. But the good news is, your body can still recover. The story of Nazir, age 82. Let me share another story about Nazir, an 82-year-old retired mechanic. He came to me with terrible night cramps. "Doctor," he said, "I thought I'd end up in a wheelchair. I didn't want to be a burden." I told him his muscles weren't damaged, they were starved. So we made a plan: sit outside in the sun for 10 minutes daily, eat a piece of salmon or a boiled egg at lunch, take a few almonds and a banana before bed. At first, nothing changed, but by week 3, Nasir said, I don't get cramps anymore. Within 2 months, he walked into my clinic without help. No cane, no support. What you can do starting today. If you want to strengthen your legs, here are 5 easy steps. Never skip breakfast. Eat a boiled egg or yogurt for B12. Get 10 minutes of sunlight. Early morning is best. Eat fish or eggs daily or drink vitamin D fortified milk. Eat magnesium rich foods, pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach. Don't wait. The sooner you act, the faster your legs will respond. You might be thinking, I'm too old to change, but you're not. Say this to yourself, I'm not helpless. I will take one small step every day to help my body. Final message, maybe you're sitting in your kitchen or favorite chair right now. Maybe you feel tired, worried or unsure. But remember this, your legs haven't given up on you. They're just waiting for the support they need. Start with one change, one walk in the sun, one strong breakfast, one moment of belief. And if this helped you, subscribe to Iqbal Health Matters, leave a comment and share this video with someone.